Good morning, everybody. I'm Jerry Corcoran, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to another important chapter in the 96-year history of Illinois Valley Community College and LPOJC.
So this new ag complex, I really view this as being the central hub of everything in agriculture that we do here at IVCC. So formerly there was a dairy barn that sat here, and now this brand new ag facility, our ag complex, provides us with an opportunity to really showcase some of the latest technology that's available to in the agricultural industry, and really allows the students to get a hands-on experience with state-of-the-art equipment.
Although this building has been kind of the kickoff to, giving us more of an opportunity to gather more equipment for, our students and for our campus farm, it's also, we aren't stopping here. We're also looking into the future to expand on this as well. So this is just phase one of an entire complex for the IVCC Ag program. So phase two actually includes a separate building that will include classrooms, laboratories, office space, conference space, so on and so forth. So that's going to even provide, further opportunities and chances for our students to be able to work with the latest cutting edge technology, not just out here with our equipment in this building, but with technology in the classroom and in the laboratory as well.
This building is state of the art, I'll say it myself. It's an amazing facility that's going to help us greatly. It's surrounded by the fields we work on.
It's a great opportunity. It's a great place for the students to come down and get a feel on what it's like to be on an actual farm, whether it's to move the equipment around or just be in a shop. It's a great addition to the college. It's a great place to keep the equipment, a great place to work on the equipment and learn how to do proper maintenance. And
being right here next to the school where they can take, both their gen eds and take agriculture courses, it's of great convenience. And then this space also offers, community members to come and partake in activities and demonstrations that the college puts on, and so they can grow their knowledge as well.
I think it's going to be a really nice area, not only for the agriculture students, but the ag club to gather in this area and do activities.
Able to be hands-on. It's right next to the shed with all the state-of-the-art of equipment. It's right next to all the very fertile soil grounds that are grown corn and soybeans each year.
When I look around and I see just a remarkable facility that is, just tremendous. It's to be here in person and look at it. I mean, it's just it really stands out. And so
the new building, I believe, will offer students, we'll be right out here on the farm, and I feel like you'll be much more closely connected to the work that you're doing. And
it makes me feel really proud to be here at IVCC and to be helping to grow the agriculture program. And for students that are looking at agriculture, I would encourage them to look at IVCC Agriculture. I just encourage all students to get in touch with myself or with Catherine, and we're more than happy to answer any questions that they have, and just really look forward to working with any potential and future students.